Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S7 versus the Mercedes-Benz CLS. Let's dive into their performance. The Audi S7 typically comes with a powerful 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering around 444 horsepower for exhilarating acceleration. The Mercedes-Benz CLS, particularly the CLS 450, often features a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, providing about 362 horsepower and a refined, smooth driving experience. Both offer impressive speed and responsiveness. Moving inside, both vehicles offer exceptional luxury and technology. The Audi S7 presents a sophisticated, driver-centric cockpit with its intuitive MMI touch response system and the impressive virtual cockpit. The Mercedes-Benz CLS counters with a lavish interior, featuring dual widescreen displays and the advanced MBUX infotainment system. Both cars provide a premium feel, but with distinct design philosophies and technological approaches. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi S7 delivers a more athletic and engaging feel, thanks to its Quattro all-wheel drive system. The Mercedes-Benz CLS, however, prioritizes a supremely comfortable and refined ride, perfect for long journeys. For practicality, the S7's hatchback design offers significantly more versatile cargo space, while the CLS maintains a classic sedan trunk. Finally, let's consider value and ownership. Initial pricing for both the Audi S7 and Mercedes-Benz CLS can vary widely depending on specific configurations and optional features. Both vehicles generally hold strong resale values within their luxury segments. Remember to also factor in ongoing maintenance costs and insurance premiums for a complete ownership picture. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.